Introducing GroundHog by RapidBiz Apps. Now optimized for underground mining to help you haul 25% or more tons to the surface. Same equipment, same crew. Gone are the days when your mine felt like a black box, with dispatch flying blind and supervisors using their gut feel to meet production targets. GroundHog's AI-based short interval control and fleet management system with peer-to-peer networking and telematics enables supervisors and dispatch operators to now pull the lid off the mine to visually monitor all mining activity in real time. GroundHog has 4 major components that run on off-the-shelf iOS and Android tablets and smartphones. A short interval control scheduler to plan shift tasks. A fleet management system with integrated telematics to capture data directly from equipment. A location tracking system with hazard and alert notifications to enhance safety for every miner underground. A robust networking system that extends your mine Wi-Fi to the face using peer-to-peer networks. Mine planners import their long-range plan into GroundHog's short interval shift scheduler. After being verified by dispatch and supervisors, these schedules are transmitted throughout the mine so every miner knows what they will work on, where, and on what equipment. Miners use mind maps in GroundHog to locate their equipment and get driving directions to the next work locations. In older fleets where telematics is not available, miners log progress of their tasks. When miners report delays and hazards, GroundHog's powerful AI-based scheduler recommends schedule adjustments to supervisors and dispatch so the crew can still meet production goals. In areas where there is limited or no Wi-Fi, GroundHog automatically switches to a peer-to-peer networking mode to create a network relay to send production data back to the operations center. With GroundHog, dispatch, supervisors, and mine managers always have an up-to-date view of the mine to ensure the mine operates like a well-oiled machine. GroundHog is flexible. GroundHog is configurable. GroundHog is customizable. GroundHog integrates with many leading equipment telematics systems, mine planning, and geographic information management systems, data historians, maintenance management, and industry-leading ERP systems. Some of the world's largest mine operators are already using GroundHog to improve productivity, efficiency, and safety. To get a quick 10-minute demo or to try GroundHog at your mine, please contact our sales team at groundhog@rapidbizapps.com.